Now let's talk about what is transformational leadership. It is a concept introduced by James McGregor Burns where transformational leaders inspire and motivate followers to achieve extraordinary outcomes and develop their own leadership capacity. The key components of transformational leadership are the following. First is idealized influence. This is where leaders act as role models and gain trust and respect of their followers. Second is inspirational motivation. This is where leaders articulate a clear and compelling vision to achieve more than they thought possible. Third is intellectual stimulation. This is where leaders encourage creativity and innovation by challenging assumptions and fostering a culture of critical thinking and problem solving. And fourth is individualized consideration. This is where leaders provide personalized encouragement and support to help followers achieve their full potential. To further illustrate, here's an example done by Steve Jobs at Apple Incorporated. In terms of idealized influence, Steve Jobs was known for his passion and commitment to innovation and excellence that are inspired by his employees and set a benchmark for others to follow. In terms of inspirational motivation, Steve Jobs articulated a clear vision for Apple that is focused on creating groundbreaking products that combine technology with design. In terms of intellectual stimulation, Steve Jobs encouraged his team to think differently and push the boundaries of what was possible. Then, in terms of individualized consideration, Steve Jobs was known for his intense but personal approach to mentoring and developing his team. Thank you and happy learning.